Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, please subscribe. Today I just finished this gorgeous vanity dressing table for my smart dolls. Yes, it's for my smart dolls. Keep watching because I will show you all the materials I use and how I put them together. For the base of this project, underneath everything, I am using some shelves from IKEA for 15 bucks, some decorative papers from Michaels for $3.49 each. I used about 16 pieces of these. I also got some jewelry stuff, which cost $12 each. We also need lots and lots of glue, some jewelry tools, and all these other stuff and more. Also, I use an LED light-up mirror because Mirai-chan is crazy about it. First things first, let's unpack our shelves. I got 4 of these. I need to trim 2 of these down to the right size, so I'm laying one board on top of the other to mark a perfect square. Now I'm cutting them with my hand saw. This may look intimidating and can be hard on your muscles when you're not used to it, but after 90 years of sawing, you'll get it. There are 2 pieces exactly the same. Woohoo! Here I am using some wood filler to clean up the ends that I just cut. You should probably use gloves for this so you don't get splinters. I didn't. Leave that on to dry and sand it smooth and even. After that, a coat of paint makes it look like the shelf was always that size. Let that dry fully before the next step. Now I'm going to screw together the main part of the table. I forgot to press record, so here is the result. Don't worry if the holes look a little rough. We will clean them up later. Next, I'm going to attach the shelf. I used spacers to make sure it was nice and even, like so. As you can see, even I can work a drill, so it's not hard at all. I take some sandpaper and clean up the holes. Here, I'm starting to cover the table with my decorative paper. I'm covering everything except the underside of the table because nobody will see that. And if you can see that, I think you should get off the floor. For the top, I use this gorgeous foil paper. I glued the pieces on first, then I trimmed them to size so they fit perfectly. So pretty! And I'm not even finished yet. Now I am making the drawer, and I'm using cardboard and foam board so the drawer is not too heavy for Her Majesty Mirai-chan. Then I attach the sides and trim them to size. There we go! Now I'm covering it with these very shiny decorative paper so it looks pretty as well. For the drawer front, I cut separate piece of foam board and covered it with more paper. I poke some holes for the handles using a needle and then I attach it to the drawer. For the handles, I made some wire loops to hold them to the drawer. I used pliers to do all the bending. Pretty! Next, I cut some ribbon and hot glued it to the bottom of the drawer. Smooth it out so there are no bumps. Put the drawer in the table. Then hot glue the ribbon at the back. This keeps the drawer from falling out when you open it. Now I sealed up the back with a piece of cardboard, which I decorated already, like so. Perfect! For the mirror part, I made a pattern to follow. I'm taping that down to my foam board before I cut it out. And now I have the shape I want. Now all I have to do is repeat that step 3 more times so I can get the thickness that I want. I put the pattern back on so I can cut out the middle to make a space for the mirror and repeat 3 more times. I'm gluing the layers together. I mix foam board and cardboard to get a stronger piece and let it dry. Here, I use my pattern again to cut out the decorative paper and glue it on just like before. I trimmed the edges, glue some more stuff. I use the pattern yet again to cut out the centers of the two side mirrors. I glue those on too to get this, but then I decided to add a border around the center part. Now I have this fantastic little mirror I want to use, but I have to spruce it up so it matches the rest of the table. So I added the leftover decorative paper to the base and the side. Ooh! To attach the mirror part to the table, I use the angle brackets and some screws. Finally, for the centerpiece, I use a push pin to hang the pendant in place. Are you ready for the reveal? Even though you already saw it in the intro? Ooh! Here is the back, pretty. And here is the front. Gorgeous, gorgeous! If I say so myself. I left the mirror loose so I can borrow it from Mirai-chan when I want to. And the best part of this is it lights up. I could do this all day, but I'm not going to.
Ne-chan, there's no chair.
That's for another video.
Oh, come on.
Shh. So there you go, darling dolls. Hope you enjoyed this DIY as much as I did. Please click that like button and subscribe for more videos coming soon. Thank you for watching. Bye!